Hey guys, Zach here. Today we're going to be showing you this 2017 Buick Envision Premium. It was a local trade. We sold it new. So we're going to just kind of walk you around and show you some things on it. Because it's the Premium, it features a 2-liter turbocharged engine. Very sporty, lots of power. It's equivalent to a V6. It is an upgrade on these over the base model. A few other things to note up front. We got our front ultrasonic park assist sensors, projector beam headlamps, LED signature lighting, forward collision alert, of course, rain sense wipers. It's all luxury features that you'd kind of come to find in a Buick. Moving around the side, we got alloy wheels, obviously a little lower profile tire, so it gives it a little sportier look. Moving to the back, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, ultrasonic rear park assist, backup camera. At the back here, kind of a neat thing Buick does is you have these chrome handles that will actually fold the seat down, and then of course you can push it. It's not quite flat folding, and then this side will do the same. You'll see it kind of drops low. There might be something on the seat there. Here underneath, we got a storage tray, and then of course underneath that, the spare tire. So it's enclosed, no dirt, debris, that sort of thing. So we need to change all your jack tools and everything inside. And then spots for like booster cables, blankets, that sort of stuff. We'll walk up to the driver's side, and then we'll show you some stuff there and go through the cabin. Okay, so coming up to the driver's door, one of the things I want to point out is the vehicle does feature passive entry and, of course, push button start. So there's a little silver button on the door that you press with your thumb, and when the key is within proximity, it's going to unlock the door. So you walk in, and obviously then opens up the driver's door, and then we can get in. You do this for any of the doors, as well as the lift gate in the back. Power lift gate button, Bose premium sound system, power windows, power locks, programmable driver seat settings. Now, what's kind of neat with this is you can have key 1, key 2, so you can set it up that when you get in the vehicle, you can hit the start button, the seat will go to your settings, and then if there's a second driver and they use key number 2, it will do the same, and then when you get out, you can actually have the seat kind of pull back and give you lots of room to get in. Full featured power driver seat, of course, you have the 8-way motion as well as the full lumbar support. And now we're going to pop inside the vehicle and we'll show you some stuff from the driver's seat. Okay, so inside the vehicle, driver's seat, we're going to point out a few things that we have, some features about this particular Envision that make it unique. Starting here, we got kind of a cool little console lid that opens up both ways. A couple USB ports. You see we got our phone in there that we're going to show the CarPlay with here in a moment. And then ports to run the cord through should I not want to keep it in there and house it in this little slot here. Electronic parking brake, which is neat because when you have it set, which we have it set right now, you can put the vehicle into reverse or drive, give it a little fuel, and then it disengages. And that's something I know a lot of people don't use a park brake, and it really does help your transmission. You don't roll, it just does it. So it's kind of neat. Dual zone automatic climate control. Of course, we have the heated seats on both sides. You set the climate with auto, you pick your temperature, and it will get it to that temperature, whether it's plus 30, minus 30. It works hand in hand with the vehicle's factory remote start system. So when you remote start the vehicle, it will get it to a comfortable room temperature, and you don't have to remember to set it. So that's one of the perks of having this system all built into the vehicle from factory and factory design. Moving up to the radio, the vehicle has your lane departure warning, lane keep assist, front and rear park assist sensors, which we point out on the inside, and then of course a touchscreen radio. The previous customer left their protective screen cover on the screen, but that can be pulled off, and of course it'll be brand new underneath there. On the radio itself, we have AM, FM, XM satellite radio, obviously Bluetooth for the phone, Bluetooth for the music, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you prefer to use the maps on your phone, that sort of thing, Siri, you can do it that way. And then, of course, the ability to download apps, which is kind of neat. Obviously, if you're interested in more information on that, feel free to pop by and we'll certainly give you a demo. Over on the steering wheel, it is tilt and telescopic. So in addition to the power seat, you have a telescopic wheel that can raise and lower. Heated steering wheel. Driver's information center with, if you can kind of see it there, it's a full digital gauge, and it's obviously customizable. Intermittent wipers, and then of course automatic headlamps. Up top, we have a frameless mirror, programmable garage door buttons, of course, a little spot for sunglasses, and then a full panoramic sunroof with obviously the automatic or powered shade. And then you can tilt and raise the sunroof back depending on your liking. Short of that, that's kind of a brief introduction of the front features here. We're going to pop to the back seat, show you a couple things, and then that'll be it for our video on the Envision. Okay, so in the back seat, a couple quick things we want to show you. Obviously, fairly decent leg room. You've seen how these seats folded, but what I would like to show sitting in here is it's got a nice padded armrest on the door, and then there is a fold down padded armrest with cup holders here. So if you're in the back seat, you kind of get your own little space. On the side, there is a lever to fold the seat from the back in addition to from the side, in addition to what we did in the back. So I can recline this seat a little more. So now I get even more space from the front. And then between my legs on either this seat or this seat, I can actually slide ahead. So if you want more cargo room, you can do that. Or if you have someone in the back, you can slide it back. Further to this, for kind of rear seat comfort, is down here, and it might be a little hard to see, but we have a household style inverter. It's 150 watts plug-in. And then moving up, we got 2 USB ports for charging, a 12-volt outlet, heated seats, and then automatic climate control. So we, just like we talked about up front, where you can set the temperature for the sides on the front, you can actually do the same thing for the back. Other than that, if you have any questions, give us a shout, 403-845-3328, or send us an email.